Hey everyone, welcome to Buy42 Exchange. Today we are going to discuss about Fibonacci pivot points, a powerful tool for traders. We'll break down what Fibonacci levels are, how pivots work, the differences, how to set them up in TradingView, and how to combine them with RSI. Stick around for the next few minutes to know everything. Let's get started. Fibonacci retracement tool and pivot point standard. Let's start with the Fibonacci levels. They are based on the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical pattern. In trading, we use key ratios like 38.2% and 61.8% to draw retracement levels on a chart. These show where price might reverse or stall after a big move. Now, pivot points are different. They are calculated using the previous day's high, low, and close to predict daily support and resistance levels. The basic pivot point or PP is simple, high plus low plus close divided by 3. From there, you get levels like S1 and R1. So what's the difference? Fibonacci levels track retracements over any range, like a swing high to low, while pivots focus on daily turning points. Fibonacci pivot points combine the best of both. They start with the daily pivot, then apply Fibonacci ratios to the range, high minus low, for more precise support and resistance. How to set up Fibonacci pivot point in TradingView? Let's set them up in TradingView. Open the Indicators tab, search Pivot Point Standard and add it to your chart. In the settings, you will see Pivot's time frame. Set to auto, this matches your chart's time frame. But with the use daily based values checked, it always uses the previous day's high, low and close. No manual input needed, TradingView does the math for you. On your chart, you will see the pivot point PP plus Fibonacci based levels like S1, S2, R1 and R2. These are your trading roadmap. If price climbs to R1 and stalls, say forming a doji candle, it's a potential sell signal. If it breaks R1 with strong volume, you might ride the momentum to R2. On the downside, if price drops to S1 and bounces, that's a buy opportunity. For instance, in the chart above, the pivot point PP is at $0.8 and the Fibonacci pivot point indicator automatically plots the support and resistance levels. S1, S2 and S3 serve as support levels, while R1, R2 and R3 act as resistance levels. When the price approaches these pivot levels, traders should look for potential reversals by pairing them up with indicators like RSI or watching for reversal candlestick patterns to confirm their trades. Fibonacci pivots and RSI overlay. To make your trades even sharper, pair Fibonacci pivots with RSI, a momentum indicator ranging from 0 to 100. Below 30 means oversold, above 70 means overbought. If price hits S1 and RSI is below 30, then starts rising, it's a stronger buy signal. Sellers are exhausted and a bounce is likely. At R1, if RSI is above 70 and starts dropping, that's a sell signal. Buyers might be overextended. RSI adds confirmation, helping you trade with more confidence. Let's break down an example of combining Fibonacci pivot points with RSI using the provided screenshot of the World USDT 15-minute chart. In the chart, Fibonacci pivot points are plotted with levels like R1 0.791, R2 0.814, R3 0.837, S1 0.745 and S2 0.722. The RSI indicator is at the bottom, showing momentum. Here is how they work together. The price rallies from around 0.79, breaks through R1 and R2 with ease and reaches R3 at 0.83. At this point, RSI climbs to 82.09, into overbought territory. This overbought RSI at R3 signals that buyers might be exhausted, increasing the chance of a reversal. Sure enough, the price forms a bearish candle and drops sharply from 0.8 back towards 0.81, confirming the reversal at R3. Notice that earlier levels like R1 and R2 didn't trigger strong reversals. Price slided through them without much resistance and RSI was not overbought at those points. The combination of RSI hitting overbought at R3 made that level a high probability reversal zone, showing how RSI can highlight which pivot levels are more likely to hold. And there you have it. Fibonacci pivot points made simple and actionable. They blend math, daily pivots and RSI to give you an edge. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tips and let me know in the comments what's your favorite trading tool. Thanks for watching.